Mutakai Oyasin, all my relations. I'm standing here on the Palmyra Harbor. Many of you know what that is. On September 11th, 2020. Taking some time to reflect and to reiterate the statement I've made so many times. The reason that so many people commemorate this day is not just because of this horrible attack on America, but how America united, how we found strength in ourselves and each other, and found and celebrated the common bond, and that common bond we use to make us stronger. Now, somehow, since that time, the common bond somehow got twisted around as reasons to not have a common bond. But for a while, we were one. What do I believe in? You know this. I believe in the dignity of the human soul. I believe in the equality of every single God-gifted, God-given human being. I have never, ever made a distinction on anyone based on culture or the color of their skin. I never will. I believe in the innate dignity, and I believe in standing by someone, regardless of circumstance, to help them, him, her, them, through whatever travails they may be facing. I believe that we will be united together. Well, that's what united means. I believe that that unity will bring us through this crisis. There are many people who don't want to be united. But comparatively speaking, I'm going to have to say that there are few. The few that have the authority, the power, that have assumed that authority and have been granted it to them. But most of us, Democrats, Republicans, Independents, what have you, we believe in the equality of the individual. We believe in the equality of all these individuals that make up these 50 states of the United States of America. When I was growing up, some of the kindest, most compassionate persons I've ever known were Republican. Some of them still are, because they're still around. And not just compassionate to me because I'm a white guy, but just I've seen their compassion, their huge hearts, their huge actions, in action, consistently. And some of the greatest, most compassionate person I've ever known have been Democrats. It doesn't, the idea of love and compassion and grace are not restricted by political affiliation. We need to talk and listen to each other. And those people that are calling a lot of the shots right now in this society, they're not talking, they're not listening, they're preaching, they're shouting, they're demanding. If they actually took the time to talk and to listen, I could see the value in what they're doing, but they're not, and thus there is no value. The value is in us, my friends. We must stay united. We must combat fear and ignorance. We must build a better society by talking, by listening. Somebody was talking back there, and I was listening. So I wish you all the best. Peace. 4 fingers. And I'll talk to you soon. Keep the faith.